everybody, I am AM180 and today we are going to be making a mechanical pencil shooter for all of you. The last tutorial got 400 views right now, so I wish we could get at least 500 views on this, something like that. Alright, so let's get right to it. Basically what you're going to need: a mechanical pencil, obviously. This type of mechanical pencil is BIC pencil number 2, 0.9 millimeters. So it's just like this. You can, yeah. Alright, basically what you gotta do for this: take off the first part of the cap like this. Take that part off, and then as you can see, you can pull that back and let go. That's basically the main thing you're gonna need. Now what you're gonna need is some straw to go on the top of this. Now, to do that, you're gonna have to tape that on. So, okay. Hold on. Okay. Now that you have that, take the piece of straw and tape it around. Simple as that. Just like that. As you can see now, you can pull it back, the bottom part back, and it will go forward like that. Now that's the main part. Now you're done, and all you need to do is load something in there. I am just going to be using the back of a pencil. I just took it off. Wait, no, I can't fit that in. So I'm just going to be using this small object. Here it in there. Now just pull this part back and let it go, and it will shoot right out. That is the end of this tutorial for today. The last tutorial, I didn't demonstrate it, so the very next video I will actually be showing you the demonstration. And so yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. So I guess this is the end of this video for today, and I hope you liked it. Bye-bye.